Hello all, welcome to part 70 of TestNG training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to retrieve the test tag name along with the test method name in TestNG. So let's get started. In the previous sessions, okay, we were only retrieving the test method names. Okay, if I take you to this mylisteners.java, you can see here by using this object reference of this itest result, we are only retrieving the test method names. Result.getName will retrieve the test method name. What if along with the test method name, okay, this particular test method belongs to which test tag? In testng.xml file, if you see, that particular test method comes from the login test tag. Okay, what if I have to retrieve this login test? The name of this particular test under which this particular login class available and its test methods are available. Okay, here I'm only retrieving the names of the test methods of this login class by writing result.getName. But what if I want to retrieve also, okay, along with the test method names, if I want to retrieve also the name of the test tag under which these test methods are available, that is login test and test method name, register test and test method name, search test and test method name. If I have to retrieve like that, what I have to do is something I'm going to cover in this session. Okay, so what I have to do, guys? Simple, guys. It's very simple. Go to mylisteners.java. Okay, here what I will do is apart from retrieving the test method name, I would like to retrieve the test tag name. To do that, we have to say result dot get test context. Okay, result dot get text context dot get name. Okay, like this. This will get you the test tag name. I will append that with an hyphen symbol here just for a separation, and I'll append that to the result dot get name. So this will retrieve the test method name, whereas this part will retrieve the, okay, this will retrieve the test method name, whereas this part will retrieve the test tag name under which the test method is available. Okay, so I'll do the changes everywhere. Okay, wherever I am just I'll just copy this line. Where I am just getting the test name, I'll just instead of that put this test tag name plus hyphen test name. Okay, I'm concatenating. Here also same thing. Okay, I'll do the changes on test failure, on test success, on test script. Okay, not compulsory, but if you have a requirement where along with the test method name, if you want to also print the test tag name under which the test method is available, then we can do like this. Okay, this is enough. We have done the certain changes, whatever we have to do. Now run the testng.xml file. Here screenshot name also will change, guys. Okay, in the screenshot earlier you only got the test method name. Now since we have retrieved the test name like this, result.test tag name appended with hyphen test method name. So here screenshot name, here we are passing this particular thing while taking the screenshot here. So what happens is the screenshot name will differ a bit. That is test tag name hyphen test method name and timestamp. Like that it will come. Okay, we can see that. Right click, run as TestNG suite. Okay, this time let's see how the even the print statements will differ a bit. Okay, the listener methods will be invoked and they will be accordingly printing the test tag name hyphen test method name, and also screenshot name also will differ. We'll see that. Let the execution continue, guys. Okay, let the execution finish. After that we'll see that. Okay, let's wait. Instead of simply saying result.getName, if you say result.getTestContext dot get name, then it is going to retrieve the test tag name. Okay, now all the 12 tests got executed, 11 got passed, one got failed as expected because we need to get a screenshot. Just see here, guys, refresh this once, and you got a screenshot this time, and it says login test hyphen login with valid credentials. This is the test method name, and this part before the hyphen is the test tag name. You see here, what is the test tag name? The test tag name here we have is login test. Okay, that is coming in the screenshot name. Okay, hyphen test method name and then the followed by timestamp. Okay, that's what is the difference. And in the output also, if you see, guys, okay, test execution started. Here you see test tag name hyphen test method name started. Test tag name hyphen test method name failed, and so on. Okay, you see everywhere the same thing. Okay, test tag name is coming, test method name is coming, whether it is starting or passing, whether it is failing also, the same thing should happen. Uh, Restart test started. Okay, restart test passed, started passed. First one was failed, right? First one will fail. That, yeah, here failed. For failed also, hyphen is coming. Okay, search test hyphen search no product. This is the test method name. This part is the test method name. This is the test tag name under which test method is available and started or passed or whatever it is. So hope, guys, you understood how to retrieve the test tag name along with the test method name in TestNG. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another TestNG topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.